Hey there, future scientists. Ever wondered what a mole is? No, not the animal. I'm talking about the chemistry mole. So let's dive right in. The mole is a fundamental concept in chemistry used to count atoms, molecules, and ions. It's kinda like the chemist's dozen, but instead of 12, it's 6.022 but 1023. That's Avogadro's number. Imagine this. You have a box full of marbles. You know how many marbles are in one mole? Enough to cover the entire Earth in a layer 3 miles thick. Crazy, right? Let's make it more exciting with an experiment. Grab some baking soda and vinegar. When you mix them, they react to form carbon dioxide gas. But did you know this reaction can help you understand moles? Measure 84 grams of baking soda and you've got 1 mole of it. When you mix it with vinegar, it releases 1 mole of CO2 or 22.4 liters of gas at room temperature. Mind-blowing. Still with me? Let's visualize it with 3D models. Picture a single water molecule. Now, imagine 1 mole of water molecules. That's enough to fill about 18 milliliters, or roughly a tablespoon. This helps us grasp how tiny atoms and molecules are. So, why is this important? It helps chemists understand the relationships in chemical reactions. Whether you're calculating reactants for a lab or figuring out energy changes in reactions, the mole is your go-to unit. Alright, that's a wrap. Now you know what a mole is and how Avogadro's number fits into the picture. Ready to tackle some chemistry problems? Let's ace those exams. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Catch you in the next video.